Brad Hall here, and with me today is a total icon, the Michael Air Jordan 4 in that classic fire red colorway. I'm gonna tell you everything I know about this shoe, and then we are taking a closer look at that quality. Did I get a good pair, or is one of the two shoes just not up to snuff? We are gonna find out on not one, but two segments of Show Me That Leather. All of that ahead, so stay tuned. This is one of those releases that I've been looking forward to for a really long time. It is such just a classic shoe. The 4, it is one of my favorite models, and this colorway, I love this colorway so much. It reminds me of just Michael out on the court with those Chicago Bulls doing shots and dunks and layups. One of my favorite details on this shoe, it's a small detail, but it's very significant. It is that Nike Air. It's finally back there, exactly where it belongs, and it just brings this shoe together so nicely. Now, I am obviously a big fan of this shoe, but if I did have to share a downside, my downside would be the shape. It's not exactly looking quite up to that original. Nike said they were bringing this one back to that original form, but if you see them next to each other, this 2020 version a little bit lower in that ankle area, and then on that toe box, definitely a bit humpier. Overall though, it is a great looking shoe, and it's a shoe that I am so excited to wear for so many years to come. I picked up this shoe just last Saturday on that official release date, but it did have some early releases, so there were pairs out there, and I was watching the feedback on this one. I did see some complaints about the quality, specifically that leather. I saw some people saying the toe box came with kind of a pre-creased look to it, so I was very curious to check out this leather, see what it's like, and that is what we're gonna do in this next segment. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. So after I got a chance to handle this leather for quite some time, I have to say, it's fairly nice. It moves pretty well. It's got some life to it. It's probably not as nice as that PSG pair that I featured in a recent video. For the most part, I think I lucked out with my pair. No major creasing, but I did get a little bit on this right toe box. It's definitely not ideal, but I do wonder, will you be able to tell in the real world once you start logging the miles on this shoe? To test that out, I have made a very special Show Me That Leather. It is Show Me That Leather on foot edition. So I present that to you. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. Show me that leather. So if you are going to wear this shoe, the creases that come with the shoe out of the box, they're just gonna blend in with those new creases. So I hope that shines some light on the leather situation. And thanks so much for watching. I do have one segment that I wanna leave you with, so I'll do that.